Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to use split screen presentation in Google Meet. This works in any browser. You'll need to be inside an active Google Meet call with participants visible. Either start presenting yourself by clicking the Present Now button at the bottom of the Meet interface, or wait for another participant to share their screen. Once content is being shared, you'll see it in the main view. Now hover your mouse over the shared content area. A control bar will appear at the bottom of the presentation view. Look for the Open in New Window button in that control bar. It sits alongside other presentation controls like Enter Full Screen and Zoom. Click Open in New Window. The shared content will pop out into its own separate standalone window. You'll now have two windows, one with the Google Meet interface showing participants and controls, and another with just the shared content. Arrange these two windows side by side on your screen. Drag them into position, or use your operating system's snap features. Windows Snap if you're on Windows, Split View if you're on Mac. Resize them however you need. You should now be able to see both the meeting participants and the shared content at the same time. Here's what's useful to know. The separate content window can be moved, resized, or closed independently whenever you like. You can still chat, check the participants list, and use all the normal Meet controls in the main window while the content stays in its own space. If you want to put the content back in the main window, just close the separate content window. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.